In this video, I'm going to show you how to get KuCoin token sales ticket on Spotlight token sales on KuCoin. You have to come to your home page on your phone or on your laptop. Navigate to this news over here and press this news. It's going to bring you over here and navigate. Scroll down and right here to be eligible to get a ticket in this token sales, you have to be holding this following token in your account. To eligible to participate in this token sales, users are requested to have a daily average KCS holding at least 10 KCS. The more holding a user has, the more token you will receive. And right here, this is the details of the rules of this holding ticket. Right here, if you hold at least 10 KCS or 50 KCS at this range, you'll be getting one ticket. If you hold 50 tickets to 100 tickets, you'll be getting two ticket. If you are holding range of 100 to 200 ticket of KCS, you'll be getting three tickets. And remember, if you hold 300 to 400, you'll be getting five. If you hold 400 to 500, you'll be getting six. And the same thing apply to this 600 to 500, you'll be getting seven. 600 to 700, you'll be getting 8. 700 to 800, you'll be getting 9. 800 average holding to 900 average holding, you'll be getting 10. And 900 to 1000 average holding, you'll be getting 11. And right here, let me scroll down. Once you, with the minimum token per user can get is 1, which is this 10 to 15. Then you will need to hold at least 10 average holding for you to be able to get ticket in this token sales. And again, the name of this token is IMVU, and the symbol token is VCORE token sales on Spotlight. And I'm going to make a video on how to make this, how to register and how to sign this agreement with KuCoin if you want to buy this, participate in this token sales on KuCoin. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to not miss the next video I'm going to make. So like the video and subscribe to my channel.